It's me, Toya. I'm back here with another video. I don't know. I haven't been on YouTube in a long time. Okay. So first, I'm gonna be showing you guys my stuff. I'm gonna show you guys two stuff today. I'm gonna be showing you guys my slime and my Instagram on my phone. And I will put it down below in the comments below. Okay. I got this slime,
and the remote was right
this
there.
slime, and
this one was
it's blue with glitter in it. And yeah.
You better not
Okay, now next I'm gonna be coming back with my Instagram. Guys, I'm back on my Instagram.
So what?
Instagram. Go follow me right now. Okay. Yeah, so that was it for you guys video. I showed you guys slime, my Instagram. Okay, comment down below. I will put my Snapchat, Instagram, basically, and all my social media underneath on the video. Bye.